Several parts of Kampala erupted into jubilation after the High Court ruling that the Lord Mayor Maurice Lukwago is still the Kampala Capital City Authority Lord Mayor. After the ruling, the Minister for Kampala, who convened and chaired the meeting of the Kampala Capital City Authority on Monday that voted 29 against 2 to impeach the Lord Mayor amid chaotic scenes at the gates of City Hall, was quick to give his reaction.
Well, I respect the ruling of the High Court judge.
Yes.
Just like, the NRM government respects the rule of law.
He, however, intends to write to the Attorney General for an interpretation of the ruling to determine his next course of action.
However, I am wondering,
yes,
and I am putting this to the Attorney General to advise us, given the fact that the judge has given an interim order, stop me from convening a KCC authority meeting, which meeting has already taken place. I find that to be very, very, very interesting, yes, and maybe it will set a very interesting precedent in the discipline of law. How does an injunction be given, yes, to injunct or stop an activity that, yes, has already taken place?
At Parliament, the reaction was mixed, with majority happy that the rule of law had prevailed.
So I am a bit perplexed with all those resources that were appropriated for that activity. And then at this point in time, we say that whatever this tribunal was doing was null and void. I think this is a disservice to the taxpayers.
Proves that there is rule of law. And it is actually an encouragement that people should go to court when they think government is not doing well.
We want to be categorical as Parliament to ensure that legally it is expounded that those who made those glaring mistakes under the guise of impeachment, bribing people and wasting taxpayers' money, must pay for those costs.
Court is yet to set a date when it will hear Lukwago's application for a judicial review of the tribunal report that found him guilty of misconduct, abuse of office, and incompetence. His lawyers argue that the tribunal's report lacks in law. The Electoral Commission, that had received a notification from KCCA Director Jennifer Musisi to hold fresh elections to replace Lukwago, says it's waiting for an official communication from the court to hold the process it had started. Maurice Ochol, NTV.